Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare linear versus tactile switches. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two popular mechanical keyboard switch types. Linear switches offer a smooth, consistent keystroke, while tactile switches provide a distinct bump for feedback. Understanding these characteristics is key to choosing the right switch for your needs, whether you're a gamer, a typist, or simply seeking a better typing experience. Let's dive into the specifics of each type. Linear switches are renowned for their incredibly smooth and consistent keystroke, making them a favorite among competitive gamers. There's no bump or click, just a fluid press from top to bottom. Actuation forces typically range from 45 to 60 grams, allowing for rapid, unobstructed presses and quick double taps. This design minimizes finger fatigue during extended gaming sessions, providing a seamless and responsive experience for fast-paced action. Tactile switches, on the other hand, are designed to provide a noticeable bump or feedback during actuation, which is highly valued by typists. This tactile feedback confirms that a key press has registered, often improving typing accuracy and reducing errors. Actuation forces for these switches commonly fall between 50 and 70 grams. The distinct bump helps users feel the exact point of activation, offering a satisfying and responsive typing experience for productivity tasks. So, which switch is better for you? If you prioritize speed, smooth presses, and minimal resistance, linear switches are likely your best bet, especially for gaming. However, if you value clear feedback, typing accuracy, and a satisfying feel, tactile switches will probably be more appealing. Ultimately, the better switch is a personal choice. We recommend trying out different switch types to discover what truly enhances your individual typing or gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.